Now just remember guys, when we hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give away either a splitter, a front lip, or something for the car. Alright guys, I know you guys are super excited about this, but finally we're gonna put on the rear diffuser on the car. It's been a while. I'm excited. You're excited. We're gonna be putting on this baby in the back of the car, and it's gonna be looking perfect. In the box, we have the rear diffuser, then we have some screws, and then we have some 3M tape. I got some extra 3M tape just in case, but we got some screws. And what I'm gonna do right now is jack up the car to just so I can have a little more space trying to put the screws on the bottom. And the first thing we're gonna do is jack up the car, so let's get it. All right, so the car is up. Now let's get to installing. And I mean, wait, we're gonna get it. All right, we're done. It's installed. I'm just messing with y'all. This thing is still freaking yeah, it's just hanging out on my exhaust. But yeah, today's the day. We have to put it on. So I really don't think it's gonna be too difficult. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it off, put some tape right here, and just measure both sides, make sure it's all good. This is my 3M tape. You can tell a difference in thickness already. All right, here's what I did. I put 3M tape here, here, and then all around. These are like, since I mocked it up, these are gonna be like the touch points. I'm still gonna put screws. All right, we let it sit in the sun for a little bit. It's actually pretty hot, pretty warm. You guys are gonna have to hold the corners because it comes off. Look, this is what's happening. This thing right here, every time I put this one in, the other side comes out. Solution. Yeah, I'm gonna screw this side, then I'm gonna go to the other side and put a screw on the other side. So go nice and slow. Make sure you don't mess up. You guys have a nice little my exhaust. Good news, we got the diffuser on. Bad news, the corners won't stick. So I'm just gonna show you. I don't know, the camera's like not picking it up too well, but it's a big difference. Moment of truth. Will it come off? Oh no, it didn't. Oh, that's what's up. So this one's good. I kind of see it coming off. Oh man. Like now it actually flows good. From the front to the side to the rears to this. We finally got the complete kit. I mean, we're gonna change that to like another one, but finally. This car needs a wash ASAP. Diffuser is on. I'm gonna show you guys where I put the screws. So I put one here in this corner. I put one there on the bottom. I put another one right here in the corner and right there on the bottom. Now you might ask, why do I have a screwdriver sticking in between them? Well, that's literally so that won't happen. Yeah, forget about it. So what I did on this side was I put the 3M tape here, and this is putting pressure, and just leave it here for a couple of minutes to see if it will stick. So, but other than that, the car's on. I mean, the car's on. Oh my god, the diffuser's on. All right, guys, we're now here with the car. Check out the diffuser. I mean, it makes a big difference once you have it on the car. It's like, I should have done this sooner. Like, it looks so freaking good. Like, it looks so freaking good. Little things we gotta tweak, but that's what she's looking like. I know she's a bit dirty. Like, wash me, please. That idol, though. Oh, I love my idol. So yeah, like I said, two little things is this. We gotta, oops. We gotta stick it here. Same thing on the other side. But honestly, guys, oh, she's looking so much better. Oh man, yeah, she is looking so much better now. We do gotta give her a wash. I know we have a lot of new subscribers here, so I do have to do a walk around of my car. It's changed a lot since last time I did a walk around, so I gotta redo it because we got the new wheels and just a whole bunch of stuff. But and so many more things coming, but we definitely gotta wash it though. Ew, what is this? What the hell is this? Should I touch it? I touched it. What the? Let's just remember, subscribe and follow me at Real G Maxime. And also remember, guys, we're gonna be doing a giveaway. You might get one of these, might get a front lip, might get something different. Remember, subscribe so we can get to 2,000 subscribers. Once we do that, we're gonna do the giveaway. And then soon I'm gonna be giving the details on the giveaway and how we're gonna do it. Subscribe, Horsepower Labs, and also follow me, Real G Maxime. But she's looking gorgeous, beautiful. Everything is so different. Now the back is actually complete, but we still gotta do one more thing to the back, which you guys will see very, very, very soon. But I'm gonna catch you guys later. And remember, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.